And then, sports drinks, pwede din po yan. Watery feces can irritate the skin around the anus. Wipe or wash off any mess to keep the area clean. Ayun. And then, excretion is affected by psychological stress. Carefully assess the condition of the user. Process of the activities involved in excretion. So, para to sa, normally, no, kung walang sakit, or tayo, paano ba tayo nagto-toilet, no? The first one is, aware. We become aware, may urge to urinate or defecate. Gustong mag-toilet. Nakaka-feel tayo. Next, pupunta and enter the bathroom. Bababa ang pants. And then, gets ready to urinate, defecate, tapos mag-excrete. Wipe and clean, flushes the toilet, pulls up the pants. Last one is exits the bathroom. So the user who needs toilet assistance suffer from heavy psychological burden. It is necessary to provide nursing care, making sure that his or her dignity is maintained. So this is the normal process. Ang mga matatanda, it's either because sa kanilang sakit or sa katandaan, nahirapan ng mag-move, yung movement nila affected na. So medyo nawawala yung kanilang dignidad. Kasi nga, normal lang naman yung toilet lang naman, di ko pa kayang gawin. So, bumababa po yung kanilang feeling of parang dignity and kakayanan nila sa sarili. So, kailangan i-maintain po natin yung respect sa kanila, no? So, wag pong magsabi na, ang baho naman. Hindi mo na ba kayang ibaba yung pantalon mo? Hindi po ganun. So, i-assist po natin sila. Kasi nga, nakakahiya na humingi ng tulong. No, nakakaya para sa kanila humingi ng tulong. When it comes to toilet. Kasi kahit tayo, no, nahihiya nga tayo. Di ba, pag umutot man lang o ayaw nga natin sabihin sa iba, no. Same pa rin po, mga tao pa din po yung mga matatanda. So, kailangan maintain natin yung dignity as much as possible, no. Actuality of nursing care related to elimination needs. Points to remember. Number 1, stick to the user's excretion routine. Be considerate of the embarrassment the user feels. Pay attention to the odor. And then, choose appropriate method and tools for excretion. So, ito po yung tools kanina kung dapat pa siyang portable toilet, urinary bottle, or diaper, or normal toilet. So, sa Japan, ano ba yung normal na toilet? No, so, for the aged. Okay, L-shaped handrail. It is for use at the time of standing up. So, pag pagtatayo si user, mas mabilis po siyang makatayo kung doon siya hahawak sa L-shape, yung patayo na rail. Adjustable handrail, pwede po itong itaas and ibaba, depende if ang user merong paralysis or wala. Call button, user can call the care worker when he or she is in trouble or is done with the toilet. Sliding door is easy to open even for wheelchair user. Posible pong lumabas ang door, kasi maraming types of door. Merong inward opening or outward opening. So, ano ba ang appropriate para sa mga users? The correct answer would be sliding door. Kasi nga po, kung inward or outward, posibleng hindi na kaya ni user, no, na i-push or i-pull yung door. Or makalimutan siya, pwedeng matrap, no. Kung sliding door, easy lang siya para sa mga users. Especially if gumagamit siya ng wheelchair or walkers. Next is actuality of nursing care related to elimination needs. So, ang example na ito ay mayroong left paralysis or hemiplegia si user. Number 1, guide the user to the toilet. Of course, nakatayo ka doon sa affected side, no? Para in case matumba si user, safe siya, andun ka. Number 2, have the user hold the rail with the hand of unaffected side. So, hahawak si user sa side rail using yung, ano nga ulit yung niya? Left hemiplate. So, sa right hand siya. Hawak yung right hand niya sa side rail. Care worker stands by the affected side. Next, care worker stands by the affected side of the user and pulls down the user pants and underwear. So, totoo ba? Para po ma-promote pa rin ang self-independence no ni user, hindi yung ikaw lahat ang gagawa. So, papahawak mo yung kamay niya sa side rail. So, totoo ba? Watashi wa zobon o sagemasu kara tesuri ni tsukamatte moratte ii desu ka? Pwede mo bang hawakan yung tesuri habang ako ay magbababa ng iyong pantalon? The user holding the handrail sits on the toilet seat. Confirm that the user is maintaining a stable position. So, always na magtanong, ante shiteimasu ka? Taureso desu ka? Feeling mo ba matutumba ka? Tatanungin po natin yung user. Okay. The care worker goes out of the bathroom stall and closes the door. This is to maintain privacy. Pero case-to-case basis, kung tingin nyo mabilis matumba si user o wala talagang balance, pwede pong magstay doon. No? Pero doon ka po sa side. Huwag doon sa harap talaga ni user na nakikita ka niya. Kasi mahihiya siya mag-excrete. When the user signals that he or she is done, the care worker goes into the bathroom stall. Pwede ang user mag-press ng button kung naalala pa nila. Ang iba naman hindi na, tatawagin ka nila. Or kayo na mismo makikita nyo sa cues no, ng user sa facial expression or sa sounds, marinig nyo din. Next, the care worker pulls up the user's pants and underwear as far as they go. So, after mapunasan na po, no, ang ibang user naman sila na ang nagpupunas. So, pwede nyo pong i-check. Mo fukimashita ka? Daijoubu desu ka? Ayun. Pag sinabi ang yes, tapos, so okay na. Or pwede nyo ding i-check. And then, after nyan, itataas na ang pantalon. So, itataas nyo yung pantalon until sa, usually dito sa my knees, hizamade. Halfway. If the pants and underwear are pulled up halfway while the user is in sitting position, it will reduce the burden during the standing position. So, mas madali na lang itataas kapag nailagay nyo na yung pantalon before pa tumayo, no, dito sa my knees. So, technique po yan. While the user holding the handrail stands up, confirm that the foot of the unaffected side is drawn back when the user stands up. So, make sure no naka-atras konti yung healthy foot ni user para for stability po ito. If the user's standing position is stable, have him or her pull up the pants and underwear by himself. Kung hindi naman, pwedeng ikaw ang magtaas. So, next naman, lumabas po ito sa exam, toileting using a urine bottle. So, ano ba ang tama? For male and female. For male, kailangan yung position ay lateral or side-lying position. Place a pillow at the back and put the urine bottle in place. Ayun. And then, for female naman, make sure yung position ng kanyang legs ay parang kataka na naha. And then, guide the urine into the bottle with a tissue paper. So, importante po ang lagyan ng tissue paper para hindi po mag-splash over yung urine ng user. So, ayun.
「介助をしやすくするためベッドの高さを調整してください」「介護者の腰痛予防にもつながります」「顔を介護者側へ向けてから腕を交差させ膝を曲げます」「布団に体が密着している面積を少なくすることで介護者の腕や腰にかかる負担が軽くなります」「汚れた部分が肌に触れないようにおむつを丸めます」膝と肩を持って体を介護者側へ倒します。この時介護者は片足を引いて半身になります。膝を使って体位変換ができ腰痛の予防になります。新しいおむつをセットします。この時おむつを置く位置は吸収体の端を腰骨の位置に合わせます。そうすることで前後対称に当てやすくなります。体を戻します。腕と膝を使って体を少し上げおむつを引き出します。おむつの中心と体の中心が合うように確かめながら位置を調整します。お尻の割れ目にテープの中心ラインを入れるイメージです。尿取りパッドを尿道口に密着するようしっかりと当てます。パッドを押さえながらおむつが鼠径部の内側にフィットするように装着します。ポイントはテープタイプを半分に折り体から近い中心部分を持ち鼠径部の内側に沿わせることです。また開くときは左右を一緒に開くと鼠径部の内側にフィットしやすくなります。テープはまず下のテープを斜め上に向けて引き上げるようにして留めます。次に上のテープを腰骨に引っ掛けるように下に向けて留めます。テープは斜めに留めることで隙間がなくなり背中側からの漏れを防ぐことができます。太もものお肉を外に出し足を戻します。最後に衣類等を整えベッドの高さを戻します。